In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn aim assist back on here in GTA 5 or GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, if you're in GTA Online, you are going to have to leave it because you can only actually change these settings in story mode. So get in story mode first. Now, aim assist obviously can only be changed there. And to actually change it though, you need to open up your pause menu and essentially just press down on the D-pad, select a story character. As soon as you're in story character, go ahead and open up pause again, go to settings, and then you need to actually go over to your gamepad settings specifically. So select that, and as you can see, there's going to be a targeting mode section on here. Now it's grayed out because I'm currently in GTA 5 Online. You need to do this in story mode. So make sure you're in story mode, go ahead and just switch it. If you want the strongest aim assist, set it to assisted aim full. This obviously gives you the strongest lock on. It makes aiming a lot easier. But then as soon as you change it, you just have to back out and you can get back in GTA 5 Online, and it's going to take effect in there as well. It really is as simple as that. I wish they would allow you to just change it in GTA 5 Online, but this game's been out for so long now, I don't think that's ever going to happen. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.